Derivation of the laws of indices, part 5. And this has to do with what? The fifth law of indices. The fifth law of indices states that a raised power minus n is equals to 1 all over a raised power what? N. This is called the fifth what? Law of what? Indices. Now our duty in this what? Part what? 5 series of what? The laws of indices is to establish, are you there? That indeed a raised power minus n is 1 over a raised power what? N. Don't forget, a raised power what? Minus n, where minus n is what? The negative what? Exponent is as good as what? A raised power 0 minus what? N. Yes, 0 minus n will what? Are you there? We return back to what? Minus n. So indeed, a raised power minus n is as good as a raised power 0 minus what? N. But don't forget that there's a law that says that a raised power what? M divided by a raised power what? N. In case you do not know how it originated, please go to what? The part what? 2 of the derivation of the laws of indices. I've been able to what? Mathematically, arithmetically, and analytically establish that. So a raised power M divided by a raised power N is as good as a raised power what? M minus what? N. Which is to say, a raised power 0 minus n can be written as what? A raised power 0 divided by a raised power what? N. So therefore, we have a raised power minus n is equals to what? A raised power 0 minus what? N. Where what? A raised power 0 minus n is what? A raised power what? 0 divided by a raised power what? N. So we have a raised power minus n is as good as what? A raised power 0 divided by, which is over what? A raised power what? N. In the what? Part what? 4, derivation of what? The laws of indices, we're able to establish that anything assigned with what? A 0 power, any what? Real number assigned with what? A 0 power reduces to what? 1. In other words, anything raised to power 0 is equals to 1. Therefore, we have what? A raised to power 0 here becomes equals to what? 1. All over what? Our denominator, which is a raised power what? N. Finally, we can therefore conclusively conclude that what? A raised power what? Minus what? 1 is equals to what? A raised power what? Minus n is equals to 1 all over what? A raised power n, which correspond or conform with what? The fifth law of what? Indices, that says a raised power minus n is equals to 1 all over what? A raised power what? N. This is the derivation of the fifth what? Law of what? Indices. Do not hesitate to like, share, and of course comment. Look forward to what? The derivation of the sixth law of what? Indices. Love you.